You should first partially extend the awning. Remove the rubber cap at the top of the drive head and manually override the motor with a 7/16 socket and drill. Do not use an impact or pneumatic, as this could damage the system. Once the awning head is extended, you'll need to access the motor. To do this, use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw on the back of the drive head. Once the screw is removed, pull apart the two pieces that make up the awning head cover to expose the motor. Before removing the motor, secure the awning arms with a zip tie. This will prevent the awning from shooting forwards when the resistance of the motor is removed from the system. Failure to secure the awning arms properly could result in serious injury. With the awning arms secured, disconnect the motor harness and remove the 3 screws securing the awning motor in place with a 3/8 socket. Without the screws or harness securing it, you can now remove the old motor. To install the new motor, line the gear of the motor up with the gearbox of the awning, and then pivot until the 3 screw holes are aligned. Insert your 3 screws into place and tighten them down again with a 3/8 socket until snug. Then, reconnect the motor harness. Next, place the 2 halves of the awning head shell together around the motor. Place the Phillips screw in the hole and tighten with a screwdriver to hold it all together. Be careful to tuck the awning motor harness securely inside the head assembly to prevent damaging it. Finally, replace the rubber cap over the manual override port of the awning, and test the awning for proper function.